Hey everybody, today we have an amazing unboxing. I'm so excited to unbox this. It is Mindful Souls. What Mindful Souls is, if you don't already know, is a monthly subscription and it focuses on self-care. It really takes a holistic approach. You may get things such as natural crystals, gem jewelry, aromatherapy items, just a wide variety of natural, earthy items, which I'm all here for. I love, love, love drawing positive energy from natural items and having that like uplifting effect from aromatherapy, like completely 100% up my alley. So I'm super excited to get into this box. It is $39.97 a month. That you will get a value of up to $120 worth of items. So you're getting an amazing value. And like I said, their crystals that you receive are all natural, real crystals. Nothing is fake. You get high quality, the utmost quality items in this box. So I'm super excited to share this with you today. I also have a code that you can save 50% off if you want to give this subscription a try. I will put that down in the description box for you, and I'll also put it right here. But in case you don't want to come back for it, I'll put it in the description box below, along with a link that you can use to sign up. So let's get into this box and see what amazing things that we've got. Okay, it comes with taped off right here. It says, "Open up the world of inner peace and self-love." I absolutely love that there's a subscription box that promotes self-care. So many of us put self-care on the back burner, and when we take care of ourselves, then we are a better person in every area of our lives. And so I love that there's a subscription that comes straight to your door. You don't have to go out and go to a bunch of different shops. It all is just really convenient and comes right to your door so that you can start your self-care journey or just make your self-care routine easier. So let's get in here and see what we got. And it says, "And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities." We got a sticker. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay. And right here, it's affirmation for journaling. It says, "My words on paper have the power to transform, heal, and inspire." And that is so true. Writing down our manifestations really do help. And then we have, okay, this is all of the items in our box. We'll go over that in just a minute. Right here on top, I see this right here, and it says it's a Mandela notebook. Intentions are to reflect and manifest. The element is earth, and it doesn't have a specific chakra. Sometimes all you need is to put pen to paper, and this Mandela notebook is just perfect for that. Use it to note down your secrets, pains, dreams, and everything else that's on your mind. I love this. I just started journaling, like 2 weeks ago started journaling, so this is perfect timing. It is such a beautiful journal, very high quality pages. I love the mandala on the front, very, very pretty, and it's going to be the perfect start to my day. I love getting up in the morning and pouring my cup of coffee and sitting down and journaling. That has been a routine that I've been trying to do every single morning, so having a really pretty, positive colored journal will help with that. Okay, and then let's see what is next. There's a lot in this, and I love the all natural bags that it comes in. That's really great. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh, look at those. Okay, we have got a set of healing chakra stones, intentions to balance and insight, and it's all elements. It says, make your journaling routine all about balance and well-being with this powerful set. When your chakras are in sync, you'll not only feel centered, but also gain deeper insight. So we have a stone that represents each of the chakras. So no matter what you're journaling about, you can set your intentions by taking that out, whether it's heart, mind, root, whatever you are journaling and whatever chakra you are concentrating on, you can take that stone out and put it there while you're journaling to help manifest those intentions. There's also a piece of paper in here that talks about the 7 chakras in case you don't know, and it also tells you which stones represent those different chakras. So that is a very helpful tool. And let's see what else we have. Oh goodness, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. I love the quality of these. Like, you can really feel the quality in these gems. This is the raw green fluorite necklace. Its intention is for clarity and harmony, and its element is earth, and its chakra is heart. It says, make your journaling even better with this harmonizer stone. This necklace can help you make sense of things, sort out your thoughts, and change the way you see the world. I cannot wait to wear this. This sounds like, I don't think I have green fluorite. So I love that I can add this to my collection, and I love that it's in a wearable form. To be able to wear this, I think will really like open up my my heart to the things around me. I really think this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. This is so gorgeous, and I love the length of it. It is a really good length. It hits right around your heart chakra, so absolutely perfect. That is beautiful. Okay, and then next we have something in this one. I love the presentation of this. It's just absolutely beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, we got is it a, yes, a carnelian ring. It's got the stone there, and then it's got this design right here. This is such a beautiful ring. I absolutely love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. It says its intentions are creativity and drive. Its element is fire, and its chakra is sacral. This one is all about journaling for the future. As a fiery stone, carnelian can help you tap into inspiration, set clear goals, and find the motivation you need to make them come to life. I have heard a lot about this stone, and I don't have anything like this, so I love that I have one now, and it's just an absolute beautiful design. I love this so much. I cannot wait to wear it. All right, and then next we have another jewelry item, it looks like. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Do you see all those beautiful stones? And then you've got the stars there. Oh my goodness. It's like the solar system. Okay, it says the solar system bracelet. So I was right, it is the solar system. It says its intentions are empowerment and manifestation. It's not a specific element, and it doesn't have a specific chakra. It says, like the sun in your own universe, this bracelet is all about making you the star of your own story and reminding you that you have the power to shape your life. I am going to be wearing this on repeat. It's just a gentle reminder that you've got this. You control your life. You're in control. Anytime you feel off kilter or anything, this is a really good reminder that you've got this. Okay, and now time for the last item. Oh, this is so pretty. just make our journaling just that much better, we have a pen. It's an Amazonite stone pen. It says its intentions are self-expression and healing. Its element is water, and the chakra is throat. What more could you want for writing? A pen naturally. And this one is truly unique. Amazonite is famous for its calming qualities that improve self-expression, clarity, and emotional release. Perfect to put on a pen. I absolutely love that, especially a journaling pen. Oh my goodness. Like, look how beautifully these go together too. Is that not just absolutely gorgeous? I cannot wait to use these in my journaling adventures. And this came at such a perfect time. I seriously just started journaling like 2 weeks ago. So I love that I have such beautiful items to help me in that area of my life. And it also gives you some tips on journaling, kind of a routine that you can incorporate. And it also has some journaling for manifestation on the back there. So lots of information in this little piece of paper and all the items that you need to journal and manifest everything in your life. So I absolutely love all these new things that I got. This is such an amazingly beautiful box. I know if I went into any stone store or any store that specializes in natural things, this would cost way more than the $39.97 that this box cost. So it is an amazing value. I think they're right on the money with the $120 value of each box, because this is an amazing value. You have to just feel the quality of these items. They're really, really high quality, and I love all of this. And if you would like to sign up, like I said before, I've got a code below and the link below, so it's just easy for you to go ahead and incorporate this self-care monthly subscription and get your self-care journey started. And they also sent me this crystal bracelet set. This is not part of the subscription, but they do have a shop. So if you sign up for the box, or even if you don't, you can go to their shop, and they have all kinds of amazing items there in their shop. And let me show you this one because it's also available there. I love how it is all right there. Like, you have a bracelet for every single thing that you could possibly dream of. So it's 12 bracelets, and you've got your rose quartz, your tiger's eye, you've got amethyst, you've got howlite, carnelian, you've got looks like some obsidian in here. So it is everything you could need if you're wanting to get a bracelet set or some type of wearable gems. Then this is a really good start. And they, like I said, they also have many other amazing things in their shop. So yes, thank you guys so much for unboxing this amazingly beautiful box with me today. If you want to check them out, the link's below. And if you like this kind of video where you unbox things and just have a I do vlogs and try-ons and all kinds of things, we just like to have fun over here, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and leave me some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.